I'm doing more COVID couple counseling, and the reason is because even though couples are together more, they're spending time together 24/7, they're not feeling as close. Many are complaining about feeling alone in their relationship. If you're feeling alone in yours, I'm going to go through 5 tips that can help you restore the intimacy. Intimacy is not the sexual part of a relationship, and that's why it's so misunderstood. But intimacy is the true connection, and that's why it's so important that you learn it and practice it. So the first thing is true intimacy means that you're generous with your time and affection. You're not trying to fit your partner into your schedule. You're making your schedule put your partner first and fit around your partner. This adds a priority. It also opens up vulnerability and sharing, which is so important to intimacy. Secondly, you realize your partner is not an off-on switch. It's not as if your partner can say, we need more time to talk, and you can say, okay, I'm here, let's talk. True intimacy takes time. It's a work in progress. And that means you have to understand that true intimacy happens slowly. It's not something you can just start. You have to practice. Thirdly, true intimacy requires that your emotional connection is as strong as your physical connection. The physical connection makes you feel good, makes you feel close to your partner, but it's temporary, works great in good times. But during the uncertain times, during pandemics, financial stress, you need the true emotional connection, because that's what affords you to feel loved by each other, supported, and as if you're going to get through this. Fourthly, true intimacy is transparent and honest. It doesn't hold secrets. Any secrets in the relationship have the potential to build a wall. It's important that you share passwords, that you share phones, and that you share social media. If you're afraid your partner's going to see something on your phone, you're not being truly honest, and you're avoiding true intimacy. And lastly, true intimacy shares the load. When one partner feels like they have to take care of everything, they begin feeling taken advantage of, resentful, and they build walls around themselves, isolating them from that possible emotional connection. If you'll work on these, then going through the pandemic can actually benefit your relationship and make you feel closer than you ever have before. So practice that and love each other.